One of the things I think Science on Tap does is really expand people's notion of what science is and what scientists look like. We have people from the university as speakers, but we also have had lots of other people.
I'm very excited to introduce Kevin Koschersberger, who is going to be talking to us today about his work as a professor and an engineer at Virginia Tech.
My colleague Patty Ron and I are excited about this project because it gives us an opportunity to invite faculty members, graduate students, and other researchers and scientists in the New River Valley to share their research. For community members, I think the benefit is that they get to meet scientists and researchers in an informal location and with an informal presentation.
I like the fact that it's geared to really make science ideas simpler and also engaging.
I brought my sons, who are 9 and 12, as well as my 82-year-old mom, because we're all interested in aviation. We're also interested in drones, and it just seemed like a really fun activity for our whole family to do.
It's often a family-friendly event, even though it's held at a brewery. Rising Silo is a very family-friendly place, lots of outside place for kids to roam. And so we do have families come, and we have opportunities for children to get excited about science.
She was a science teacher, and I wasn't. And so I really like that it's in a language that works for everyone.
That's what we're trying to do, is provide opportunities for people to build their skills in communicating their research in creative and exciting ways that really connect with community members.
We will definitely come back. I am so thrilled that there's something fun that we can do as a family, and it's nearby. We live in Blacksburg, and they learn and have fun at the same time. It's great.